Installing a garage door opener yourself might sound easy, but think again. The risks are real and significant. Handling heavy equipment like a garage door opener requires not just strength, but also technical know-how. Imagine dealing with electrical wiring and ensuring everything operates safely while mounted overhead. Missteps can lead to dire issues, from malfunctioning doors to potential safety hazards that can harm you. Following the manufacturer's instructions is vital, since different models can vastly differ in installation procedures. If you're considering DIY, gather essential tools, including a drill, ladder, and measuring tape for successful installation. However, beware of challenges like heavy lifting, alignment issues, and safety sensor setups that might overwhelm you. Professional installers possess the expertise to tackle complexities and ensure your garage door opener works flawlessly. Local professionals in Haltom City understand regional challenges, giving you tailored service specific to your needs. Instead of risking misalignment and unnecessary repairs, trust experts for a reliable and efficient garage door system.